Hi, I'm Seven Figure Boss, and today I'm going to be teaching you a brand new business idea that will enable you make over 150,000 Naira monthly. Guaranteed. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. What this business idea is all about is about content distribution. Now, before you click out of this video and say, is another fluff? No, I don't do fluff on this channel. Like, I don't share anything that doesn't work or something that I have not experienced or seen someone do or something I have not tried out myself. And I don't share any get rich quick scheme here. So anything I share on this channel is 100%, in fact, 120% legit. Now, let me gist you about the business idea. Now, this is content distribution. Let me start with the problem, right? I'll start with the problem and then how you're going to solve the problem and make money. The major problem content creators have is staying relevant across all the social media platforms. Like, it's very difficult. You're making videos for YouTube, like you spend hours and hours, sometimes days creating a YouTube video, and then after that you're expected to create YouTube shorts, and after that you're expected to create videos for Facebook, you're expected to make Instagram reels, you're expected to make TikTok, and then you're expected to tweet on Twitter. Like, is that even possible? And that is why a lot of content creators are depressed. Yes, a lot of content creators are depressed because it's overwhelming. Now, this is where you come in. You're going to be distributing content across social media platforms for content creators, and then you're going to make a lot of money because you're taking off a very big burden off them. Now, this is how it works, and this is how you're going to do it. Mostly, your major target should be YouTube content creators, because YouTube content creators, no matter how big or no matter how small they are really making money, okay? And they have money to pay you. They have money to pay you to a certain level, right? And they also have the content. Now, what you're going to do is that you're going to watch their videos. After watching the videos, a couple of videos, you're going to make a tweet from those videos and post it on Twitter. Now, we have sorted out the Twitter part, and also you can also repost that of Twitter on Instagram Reel. Now, what you're going to do is, if it's a very interesting tweet, you take a screenshot of that, you go to Canva and put a video background to the tweet, like the screenshot that you took, and then upload it on Instagram Reel, add a trending song to the post and upload it. Now you have uploaded two contents on two platforms. And then you now go ahead and cut the videos. At least you need to have slight editing skills for this one. And then you get their videos, either you download them if they are far from you. If they are close to you, you can then copy it from them. But if they're not close to you, you just go ahead and download it from their YouTube channel. And then you slice those videos using TikTok format and Instagram Reel format. After cutting out the interesting parts from the videos, you can then start putting subtitles. You can use the free mobile editor CapCut to put your caption. It has an accurate option for auto caption, so you can use that to add captions to the videos and then upload it on TikTok and then Instagram Reel. Now you have covered multiple platforms, and then you can now go ahead and edit out those parts that the content creator said, subscribe to my channel, like this video, do this one, cut it out and then upload it on Facebook. So now you have covered all the social media platforms for them. So this is an amazing way to make money. So while they focus on creating content, you will be distributing the content across multiple platforms, and that way they will stay relevant on those social media platforms as well. And then in their spare times, those tweets that you posted on Twitter, they can actually do a video, like a reel for it, like use it as a script and do a reel and then post it on their TikTok and Instagram. So it will mix up with the ones that you're cutting off from their YouTube videos. So this is an amazing way to make money. It's not like, I've not seen it, I need it. So when you start, please, I'll be your #1 client. So when you start, I'll be your #1 client, and I can also show you how you can get clients. Like, it's not difficult. Like, any content creator will jump on this. So imagine when you are charging 50,000 Naira for the 50,000 Naira is too small now. 50,000 Naira is too, because the work no be here. So, but let's assume you're charging 50,000 Naira and you have 3 clients, you're working for 3 clients, you're getting 150,000 Naira every single month. And then you don't need to leave your house, so you'll be in the comfort of your bed, distributing the videos and getting paid at the end of every month. How cool is that? You can even get your friends to come on board, and then the money goes higher, okay? Because you can't do everything yourself. So if you check the ones that you can handle, if it's 5, if it's 6, if you can handle 6 clients, then that's fine. And 6 clients alone is 300,000 Naira every month. And then you're not going anywhere. It's not as if you're going to work. You are going to be in the comfort of your home doing this. So you're not even spending anything, just data that you use and download the video and upload the video, and that's all you need to spend on, and you're good to go. So what you should learn is learn a little bit of video editing if you don't have the idea already, how to cut, join videos and all that. Please, if you have gotten value from this video, please go ahead and like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it just the same way you're benefiting from it. Don't be stingy. Use it as a means of support to support me for all the work that I'm doing on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Have you liked the video? Have you liked the video? Thank you, and please subscribe too.